How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode, honestly though, I forgot what did I done in last episode because it's been a while. It's been a while. So we have our Suicune at level 38, Boomy at level 36, Chirrut 35, Saya 34. Also in the last episode, I think we got the XP share. Yeah. Also I got so many big class because I think I done that battle factor so much. We came to this town, I think, yeah. And yeah. Okay, let's go into this building. What the Team Calypso? Okay, this is not the place. I think we want to go to the gym, which is I think a flying type gym. So Saya, yeah, I gave it XP, right? So I think we have Aurora Beam, yeah. Adjusting, yeah. Suckin is gonna help us in this gym. I'm gonna call it Suckin from here and now until we get to name it. Also we need cut. Okay guys, I am back and let's get cut. But we have cut and let's slowly but surely progress. He jumped off, more like a 4-time weakness to ice type Pokemon. Okay guys, I'm gonna defeat all the trainers in the gym. Okay guys, I saved the game and yeah, let's talk to this guy, Leon. Okay, hey there trainer, I just become this city's gym leader, but you shouldn't mistake me for a chump. The only way you can beat me is if you... What the heck is going on? Look like it's over. Team Calypso? I told you, Electro, that wasn't the last time we would see each other. You can't reveal yourself. In due time, child. Leon, what is the meaning of this? These are after me and my friend. Why? I don't know. Enough chit-chat, Grants. Activate the PMW. Yes, sir. Wow, this story is interesting. I will bet it doesn't complete it. Yes, sir. What the? What? Okay. Where are my Pokemon? You mean the Pokemon I took? Look like Ken took no chances. Hehe. How does it feel to be helpless? Know that you could beat my Pokemon anywhere. What did you say? You heard me. How dare you? I'm battling you right now. You take your pathetic Pokemon so I can beat them to a club. You are all mine. What an foolish grand. Team Palixo Peon Max. What the? Okay. Peon Max. No! Yeah, wow. Uh-oh, I got one can't. Too easy. Wow. Please be a Pokemon. HM of... Please don't say we need that. Oh, nice. Please don't say we need that. Yes. Did I ever say of this game's level curve? Of this. You know what? Saya. I'm not going to grind up that thing. I think we cannot get any evolutionary stones that early. And we can't even... What is that called? Yeah. We can't even... Yeah, we can't even evolve it into a Sting, Espion or Umbreon. Hold on. It's way too much. Yes, bye bye Manectric. Suicune got to level 39. Volleyball. Shiru. Nya. Bubble. Thank God to pick up. Also, we just completed Black main game, so watch it. We'll complete the post game very soon. After that, we'll jump into Black 2, or I mean White 2. You will go no further. Looks like I have to teach you guys a lesson as well. Pidgeot, come out. What? Pidgeot, use Whirlwind. Let's get out of here. Pidgeot, return. Looks like we made it without my help. Hey, hang is I'm pretty strong. All joking aside, I think they were waiting for us downstairs. I hope you're ready for a battle. I'll meet you down there. Got it? Uh, okay. Interesting. You ready for this, Electra? I have a feeling we are not living without a fight. I was born ready. Alright, let's do this. Huh, I see. The prisoner and his little gym leader with friend decided to join us. What a shame. I'll have to personally send you back. Grant battle the gym leader. Yes, sir. It's sent here. What? This is not the gym leader. Calypso admin Kent would like to battle. It's been a while. And Bubble Beam. Bye bye back. But what? That definitely gotta be Eevee trend, right? Yeah. Big Brain plays my Yamandash TV. Bubble Beam will carry you now. Big Brain plays powering up my water type moves and making 100% accurate thunders. Kabuto, you don't have water absorb anything. What? Strict swim. Big Brain plays by Amanda's TV. Yups. You are Aerodactylus. Bubble Beam, we outspeed you anyway. Bye bye, Aerodactylus. Fun fact, there's an human body part called Aerodactylus in our body. I don't know why they said that. Dire hit. Yeah, the rain stopped. So let's go for a bite flinch. Through the game. So Bubble Beam. Bye bye, Kangan. Oh my night. Bubble Beam, more like one hit KO. No, you survived because I don't have a finger rain dance activated. So Bubble Beam. Bye bye. No, this is impossible. I wish this is a double battle. How it's possible? You beaten me again. I need more time. Everyone, we're living. Looks like we did it. Thanks you. No problem, Acro. Don't get me wrong though. When you come to my gym, I'm all going out. I don't accept anything less. See you at the gym. Yeah. Everwind City. So looks like we don't have enough time to battle the gym leader. So that's not it for the episode. I will effing battle him. So let's cut down this tree. I'll talk to him. Back so soon? You should be prepared, Electro. Remember what happened back there doesn't change anything. You better give me all you have. Here we go. Electro says leader Wind Mysterious gym leader Leon. Stand out is Murray, John Murray. I forgot to heal up, but I think we lost this battle. A cutter donkey, okay. Yeah, I know. Bubble Beam. Sturdy doesn't work like that in the gen, so you survived anyway. Sucks for you. Why did I went for payday of all things? More money for me. Coins scattered around. Waterfalls. Do at least. Yeah. Waterfalls. Crit. No. Don't give me. Another waterfalls. Yes. Bye bye. Scar Murray, John Murray, anything like that. Sucking. Pidgeot. You know what? I'm just gonna go for hidden power ice for chip. Super effective aerial. Sorry. I'm a dumbass to not heal, but I'm gonna win even I didn't heal because I'm a good trainer. Aerial. I think you're gonna heal. I'm gonna go. What? I threw the game. No. We still have it in the hand, but yeah, bye bye Pidgeot. So if I needed to use any ice resistance Pokemon, I can use. Yeah, I think it will survive this Aurora Beam, but yeah. Tropius sucks. Honestly, I forgot to face his sister. Sorry, I'm in GTV. Oh, that's your S? Okay. 4 time weakness, won't carry it. I effing know it. Aerials won't carry me. The rain stopped. Leon, it's waste. I won. Sorry. Bye bye Altaria. Sakin got to level 41. Awesome battle. I feel honored to have battled beside you. Wow, your skills are surprising. Believe me, we'll battle again and we will do that. The end result will be different. Until then, I would like to present you the aerial badge. Obtain the aerial badge. This badge enables to TM for the aerial race. So, that's first episode, guys. Yeah, this episode is quite longer than any Mythic Legends episode, I think. And that's first episode, guys. Also, guys, in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Peace.